Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a very specific topic that has been causing some confusion among developers who work with Classroom API registration. If you've ever encountered the error message, "The caller does not have permission," when trying to create a registration using the registrations create method, then this video is for you. As we all know, the Classroom API is an incredibly powerful tool that allows us to manage and integrate our applications with Google Classroom. However, like any complex system, it can be tricky to navigate at times. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what might be causing this error message and how you can resolve it. So let's start by breaking down the registrations. Create method. This method is used to create a new registration for a specific application in Google Classroom. However, when you try to call this method without the necessary permissions, you'll get an error message saying the caller does not have permission. But what does it mean to have permission? Well, in the context of the Classroom API, having permission refers to having the necessary auth scopes and credentials set up for your application. Think of auth scopes like a key card that grants access to specific areas of a building. When you're trying to create a registration, you need to make sure that your application has the correct key card, or in this case, the itt.googlelibis.comauth classroom rosters scope. This scope allows your application to read and write roster information in Google Classroom. However, having the necessary auth scopes is only half the battle. You also need to ensure that you're using a service account or credentials that have been delegated domain-wide authority. Think of this like having the correct badge that grants access to restricted areas of the building. Now let's imagine that you've set up your auth scopes and credentials correctly. What else could be causing the error message? One common issue is that the registrations create method requires a specific format for the registration resource. Think of this like filling out a form with very specific requirements. Make sure that you're providing all the necessary information in the correct format, including the application's client ID and name. Also, double check that you're using the correct AP endpoint and HTTP method, in this case, a POST request. To summarize, when encountering the caller does not have permission error message with registrations, create. Make sure to check your auth scopes and ensure you have the necessary permissions. Verify that you're using a service account or credentials with delegated domain-wide authority. Double check the format of your registration resource. And that's it. Yay. I hope this explanation helped clarify things for you. If you've got any further questions or need help troubleshooting, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more API-related content. In our next video, we'll explore another common issue with the Classroom API. But for now, thanks for watching.